Say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone! So hindi na kami makahintay para sa gender reveal sana bukas or mamaya kasi Sunday na ngayon. So kakauwi lang namin galing ng food park dun sa may business kasi kami. So kakauwi lang namin, kanina nagpa-check up ako and tinry ko na magpa-ultrasound na rin for gender kung pwede na. So sabi naman po ni doktora is 100% sure yung gender. So hindi ko siya pinasabi kung ano ba yung gender niya. So, ngayon pa lang namin malalaman. So, ito na siya. So, reaction video lang tayo. Reaction video. Wala nang pa gender reveal. Sorry, Rika. Hindi na ako makahintay. Ito na siya. Are you ready? Ano hula mo? Hey, Brad. Is it a baby brother, baby sister?
Baby sister.
Baby sister?
Yeah, baby sister.
You want baby sister?
Daddy, your baby sister. Mommy, baby sister. Can you whistle?
Can you whistle?
I don't know.
Can
Ikaw?
you whistle?
Baby boy.
Boy. Ako hindi ko talaga alam. Kasi sabi nila, based sa na-observe nila sa akin, lalaki daw. Hoping, pero syempre kahit ano man yung gender na bigay sa atin ng Diyos, tatanggapin natin yan, diba? Diba? Hemra, do you like baby brother?
Yeah.
How about baby sister?
Yes, baby sister.
Okay, ito na!
Sit down, sit down.
Pikit ka muna tayong tatlo.
Daddy.
Close your eyes.
Wait lang. Wait, tasan na ba? Ayan. Sige, so ito na!
Baby.
So, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Saan? Baby girl.
There's a baby girl again! Yay! Panalo si Hemra! Tada! Ikaw ba, baby?
Baby girl.
Baby sister! Hello! Hello, tuwa siya. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy? Ikaw, baby. Are you happy?
Mama.
Yes.
Uy, happy daw. Nalungkot.
You can see your baby Addy.
Oh, baby Addy. Come here. You see baby Addy.
I love baby
Baby
Addy.
ating na naman. Baby girl.
Baby girl.
It's
I
your,
love
it's your
baby
sister.
It's a baby sister.
girl. Baby sister.
Mapakita natin. Ayan. So, baby girl. Ano ba? Oh, it's a baby girl. Ayan. 100%.
Wow.
No.
Di magmamana ng mga ganito, Hemra. Wag baby Ad.
Baby Addy.
Oh, baby
Yeah,
Addy.
it's your baby adding. Look at,
May itsura niya.
look at your baby adding now. This is your baby adding inside mommy's tummy. Look at that. Oh, that is her lips and nose. Oh. Wait.
Are you happy, Hemra? Are you happy? You having a baby sister?
Ta-da! Mommy and Daddy. Ta-da!
Tada!
Wow. Hemra is happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Kasi pa. Come here. Ay, wala na.
No more na.
Hindi. Joke lang. Are you happy?
Yes.
Say, see you
See you
soon,
soon,
baby
baby
sister.
sister.
Yay! Oh, baliktad. Hindi ganyan. Hindi ganyan.
That's it.
Ayan. Hi guys. Hindi
Other side.
ganyan.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Baby Addy.
Baby adding.
Baby
What do you want for
Daddy.
your baby adding?
Daddy big.
Daddy pig. Are you happy?
Mommy big. Mommy big. Peppa and George.
Anong Porge?
Peppa and George.
George. So, I'm 21 weeks pala.
Mommy.
21 weeks. Hi! Hi!
Hi, Daddy. Look.
Hindi ganyan, baliktad. To the other side. The other side. Ayun ba?
What are you doing?
Wala. Walang hinaan na ng loob yung isa. Daddy, sabi nila, pagka ano daw, pag di ka binibigyan ng
Mommy, hello.
lalaki, sa jeans daw ng tatay dapat nanggaling yung
Look at baby Addy.
jeans daw ng tatay.
Look at baby Addy.
Ito, baby Adi. Kasi bye-bye na nga sa video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're so happy. We're so happy. Wow. We're happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. See you soon, baby.